welcome. This is Ashish, and we are going to install Ubuntu 13.04. So, the main motive is to make dual boot alongside with the Windows. So, first of all, we have to click continue. Then, okay, now if you like to install another third party, then you can select it and continue. So they will also be the part of your operating system. Now follow the step as I do. It's asking for a adapter Wi-Fi, so I think I don't want to connect. So then make it easier to installation. Now it's asking for the dual boot, but we have to choose something else, like something else, and then selecting the partition. Yes, here a free space. First of all, I have to extend this partition, but as you can see, there is a Windows 7 loader in 104 MB, but original Windows is installed at here, and the free space is available about 100 GB, and another are user partitions, so I'll choose this. If you can't see, then you can make your own free space by this sign, minus sign. Now create a partition. Size of partition should be about 1. Size should be as your own wish. It requires only 16 GB, but I'm now trying to give it 95 GB. No, so I think it should be 98 GB, and the mounting point should be root, and okay. The main reason behind this to make it dual boot is it's now going on. Yeah, so here we have SDA4 partition, and the grub is also should be installed at SDA4, because if we install it at SDA4, then the main bootloader will also be available at here. And now make a swap partition, and okay. The reason behind the bootloader is should to area to be selected SDA4, because so then only then it will be dual boot along with window. Now we have to install. It will install Ubuntu at SDA4 partitions. Further step you also know, I have to just continue, and it's for keyboard filling this form, I have to click continue. As you can see, now it's installing Ubuntu 13.04, so it should be further continue. After the installation, we have to just restart. As copy process is completed, now it's installing files. 28 file is going install. Now installation is completed. We have to restart. It's not loading Ubuntu, but the main step of this process is now remaining, so wait for it. To make visible Ubuntu at boot menu, you need to install EasyBCD software. So I already have installed it, and now going to open this, and you have to just use it. You can see there are available options, and you have to add new entry. Linux I haven't installed. It is showing the partition 6 where Linux is having space 91 GB, and the name I'll give it Ubuntu. Okay, now adding new entry added. You can check it by view settings. Here this is for Ubuntu, so now we have to just restart. You can see there are two options, Windows 7 and Ubuntu. Just selecting Ubuntu, and so in this way we can start up our Ubuntu. So our process is completed.